The all-new Jesko, the latest supersport legend from Koenigsegg. Want to find out what brilliant ideas Jesko von Koenigsegg put into the car this time? Stay tuned to find out this and much more. The new Jesko was unveiled to the public for the first time at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. It should replace the Regera, and the promise that the first cars will be delivered in 2023, Jesko von Koenigsegg has kept. At that time, it was already announced how many would be built. 125 vehicles. That doesn't seem like much at first, but 125 vehicles is Koenigsegg's largest production volume of a single vehicle to date. Already before the presentation in Geneva, 85 vehicles were sold out completely. The rest then in the first 2 days of the fair. The Jesko is named after Jesko's father, Jesko von Koenigsegg. Funnily enough, the Jesko was a huge surprise for his father. I almost think they don't know themselves how they could keep the production of the prototype so secret from his father. Unfortunately, it was sold out immediately, but you could still drive it. Well, in video games. One of the first games that integrated the Jesko was Asphalt 9. 4 months after the release in March, you could already ride it on the tracks. But the fascinating thing about the car is the technology. Jesko manages every time with technical innovations to make the cars extremely interesting for techno nerds like me. Alone that the transmission for 9 forward and 1 reverse gear has 7 clutches and thus no flywheel. The advantage is weight and better dynamics. The gearbox weighs only 92 kilograms with the awesome power. But how much power does it have? On normal fuel it should make 1280 HP at 1106 pound-feet of torque. With E85 it has even 1600 HP. The 5-liter V8 engine has not much in common with the original Ford engine from the CC8S. Today it's even a billet block. The Jesko has also again the cool party trick from the Regera in the backhand. Koenigsegg's Autoskin. Why not use the car's anyway needed hydraulics to open the doors? At a touch of a button on the key you can fully open and close the doors and hoods. Also the suspension is totally clever. The so-called triplex dampers. The advantage is that you can send the force of the loading wheel over to the other side of the axle, similar to a stabilizer when cornering, and thus stabilize the car in the rolling motion. And with the hydraulics you can then even adjust the height in milliseconds to drive more evenly. Koenigsegg wants its speed record back with the Jesko. The car is supposed to be able to go over 300 miles per hour. I'm curious to see if they can do it, but you don't have to worry about Koenigsegg anyway. They actually always keep their words. Best of all, this whole package will be street legal in every country in the world. Europe, USA, Asia, everywhere. You can consider yourself really lucky if you were able to purchase one of these Jeskos. If you want more interesting car facts, please check out my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.